look at this particular hoodie. It's the Tokyo Gray hoodie from Mighty Car Mods. I normally don't do merch reviews or things like that, but I like this hoodie enough that I'm willing to talk about it a little bit. So with that in mind, let me go over why it's now one of my favorite pieces of kit for my 7. So I really like the material that this hoodie is made out of. The fleece is very soft, it's comfortable to wear, both inside and out. It's very nice. It does not have a pill on the inside. For me, it's a big selling point. I really like that quite a bit. It's also not too heavy, so you can wear it, on chilly days, warmer days, and layer it up pretty nicely with some other stuff. So it's a very versatile kind of a thing, especially if you're driving a 7 and you're pulling layers on and off all day. Zippers are pretty high quality. There's one zipper pocket on the upper right-hand side of the chest. That's good for securing stuff like wallets, keys, phones, stuff you don't want flying out of your pocket. Easy to get at if you're using your left hand. Just zip down and grab and go. The sleeves have these thumb loops, which are really nice. When you're driving, it's great just to loop the thumb into them. Keeps the sleeves down, keeps air from blasting up the sleeves, keeps things warm while you're driving. Is also pretty cool. It does not have drawstrings. It's a shaped hood, so when you pull it up and zip it up, it shapes around your head. That's really great because you don't get whipped with drawstrings flying around, and you don't have to yank the drawstring out of your hoodie. But also, the hood tends to stay up and around your head, even when you're blasting along at high speed. The branding is fairly minimal. The only thing on it that says Mighty Car Mods is the tag in here. I'm wearing a large. I'm 5'10", 210 pounds, so that gives you some kind of size. On the chest you have the chopped logo with a little bit of a Japanese-inspired pattern around it. Same logo on the back, just a little bit larger and a little bit more detail on the inner ring. I like it. It's just a nice, subtle, if you know kind of a branding thing, and I think that's cool. I don't particularly like about this hoodie, and it's a very small nitpick, would be the zipper tabs. I don't like that they stick up into a position and don't naturally fall back down flat. I'm also not a fan of the plastic covering on them. I prefer to be able to slide my own extra little zipper pull tab in there, but not a big deal. Like I said, my complaint about these zipper tabs is just the smallest of nitpicks. All in all, I really like this hoodie. I'm probably going to order a couple more just so that I don't wear this one out completely in like a month. Not that I think I would. The material's high enough quality that it's going to be pretty durable, I think.